Good morning. Today is an unusual day for me because I've decided to come running instead of cycling. Don't know what it was. I got up and I was like, do you know what? I don't actually feel like getting on the bike today. I actually feel like going for a run. And so I am here. This is Tandle Hill and it is hilly. So even if I'm not on the hills on the bike, I'm on the hills running because, well, I'm not actually running, I'm just walking now. Just because I'm not running so long, so I thought I'd better have a little bit of a warm up before I actually start running. But it is so pretty. Oh, look, I absolutely love it. It is beautiful. So I'm gonna just go and have a little potter about, just a little run up and down the hills, have a bit of fun, and I'll bring you along with me. Let's go. It's been so long since you was running, always running with me. Now you never come along, now you never wanna follow. You listen so good for what you want from me. Why don't you come over here, no, right here with me? Never mind, I guess I'll follow. You might sound like sort of like GoPro to do that. Just for you, I hope you appreciate. Let's get running. Properly running, not YouTube running. Which way to go? This way? This way. Looks more up. I'm so unfit when it comes to running, but I'm getting fitter. And yeah, this might be my new, whoa, they're loud, favourite thing to do in winter. It is pretty fun. It's just different. Gotta mix it up, cross train. And I think this type of running is really hilly. Helps really good on like when you're doing efforts. Because it's that like high heart rate type of activity. Get really nice views as well. See, I don't do road running. If I've got to run, there's got to be some views somewhere. That's where we are. It makes me happy. So just finish off that with a couple of little hill sprints. I mean, not particularly fast because I'm not running forever. In fact, I don't even think I've run this year. Or maybe I did at the start. Anyway, I thought I would give you a couple of my tips if you are wanting to cross train or wanting to start running. So I reckon the first thing is do what you find fun. So for me, road running is not fun. Trails like this are fun, which is why I come and do this, because it's just like when I go on my bike, it's just like playing out, like being a kid, running a bit, walking a bit, stopping to take a picture, just enjoying it really. So the main thing is you've got to enjoy it. Second thing is don't do too much too soon. I think with the bike you can kind of do a lot more a lot faster, whereas with running it takes time for your body and your legs to get back used to running, so you don't want to like be pulling muscles or joints or ligaments and stuff like that, which can happen. And so yeah, just take it really steady at the start. Third thing, what was the third thing? I think that's pretty much it. Those two are the simplest two tips ever. Oh, get decent running shoes. So the ones I've got are Ultra. They are the trail running ones, so they're like that on the bottom. I've really I've actually enjoyed that more than the last few rides that I've been on. Don't mean that I'm going to start running more. Well, I will start running more, but it's not going to be my main thing. This is still going to be a cycling channel, do not worry. But I will, if you want me to, add in more of my runs. Is that something you're interested in? Because I know the majority of you are cyclists, so would you be interested in more running content. Let me know if you are, and I will bring that to you. So that is it for this video. I can't even tell you how much I enjoyed that. I think because the sun's out and I proper loved it. And I think it's better to do in winter just because you're not out for as long and you get really warm straight away, whereas I feel like with riding it's always colder because you've got the wind chill, like from riding. So yeah, I think I'll be doing a lot more running in winter. Right, let's go. Oh, and very quickly, make sure you do stretches after you've run, otherwise you'll be stiff and then you won't be able to ride or run. It's okay. I was thinking about you the whole time.